SNN Weather First with meteorologist Joshua Rivas.
Thank goodness it's Friday. TGIF, as we always say. Yes, that's right. Friday is quickly approaching, and before you know it, will be Friday night. And that's when our hurricane special starts to air tomorrow night at 6:30. Let's get right to it. You can see right there, SNN Special Report, Hurricane Season 2015. We will give you tips on how to keep you and your family safe this hurricane season. Speaking of this hurricane season, let's get to some numbers. 7 named storms, 3 of those may be becoming hurricanes, and 1 of those may be a major hurricane. That's our forecast back in April from Colorado State, usually the bigger forecast we look at. However, NOAA issued their forecast on Wednesday, 6 to 11 named storms, 3 to 6 of those becoming hurricanes, and maybe only 2 of those, if that, becoming a major hurricane. Biggest thing to notice for is that the median, or the most popular number that we see every season for the past several decades, is higher than the ones we're expecting this season. So again, we continue to stress it's a below average season, but you have to be prepared for that one named storm. Locally, it's going to be a pattern change. You'll notice that the dry air that we've been dealing with for Thursday brings some comfortable air, is moving to our west, and a moist and humid air mass is to our northwest. You will notice I didn't put us in a moist environment, and that's because the air mass that's over us tomorrow isn't as moist as it is over the Gulf Coast. So again, tomorrow's going to be that transition day. We'll have to watch it closely. Here's a look at the mid-levels of the atmosphere. This is going to be a real key teller for tomorrow. So by the time we start up Friday, still dry, very nice Friday morning. We'll get to the lows in just a second, but it will be comfortable Friday morning. We move on in time into Friday afternoon. You'll notice that moisture comes back on one of our computer models. On another one, it doesn't. So again, we're iffy, 50-50 chance that this moisture will return in time to give us a nice chance of scattered thunderstorms tomorrow. But it generally will be isolated and further inland where that moisture will definitely return. East Coast and inland areas, definitely the moisture returning quicker than over on the West Coast. For the morning, 69 Branson, there's those low temperatures I was talking about. 69 in Sarasota, 65 in Wauchula, mid-60s inland, so rather comfortable there. And around 70 degrees near the coast. For tomorrow, generally warm, low to mid-90s inland, and then upper 80s near the coast. Generally a nice day. The moisture does return. For your beaches, east-north wind 10 to 15 knots, seas 2 to 3 feet. Enjoy it. It's going to change. Here's why. The 7-day forecast tells it. 89 degrees on Friday. Then it changes on Sunday. Higher chances of rain with even more moisture later next week. Upper 80s as your highs. Hope you enjoy your weekend, and we'll have more on that special report coming up Friday night. Don't miss it.